one of the things that a friend of ours was talking, we were on a walk, and she said, okay, let's say that we were going from your house. Let's say I started at my house, but I was trying to go to her house. Her name is Kristen. And so let's say I'm here walking, and I accidentally took 2 steps back. If I took I just kind of fell and I took 2 steps back. If my goal is to get to her house and I took 2 steps back, I wouldn't go all the way back.
Right.
So what happens is when people are walking forward and they're making that forward progress, when they take a couple steps back, a normal person just goes straight forward and goes back towards that goal. But people who struggle, they fall back a couple steps, and what do?